Alright, Starving Photographer here. This is Mahesh, Rez behind the camera as always. And today we're going to do a little bit of long exposure photography, except I'm going to use my mobile phone. I'm going to use an iPhone, use a couple of apps, usually a couple of lenses that I'm going to adapt to the case. I'm going to use moment lenses, see how good they are, and see what kind of wide angle and a little bit of telephoto action we can get. I have a little handheld tripod here. I may use this, I may not, because one of the apps I'm going to be using is called Halide, and it's supposed to be great for stabilization. We'll try that out and see what it goes. Stay tuned. So this is the moment case I'm going to be using, and this is the wide angle, equivalent to about 18 millimeters once it's on here, and you sort of compensate for the 35 millimeter factor, about 18 millimeters. And I'm going to put that right on top here, and it screws in quite nicely. You line up the top, you turn it in, bam, it's all set. Let's try it out. So this is with the lens. This is without the lens. Right?
Huge difference.
Huge difference. So I'm going to use one of the apps called the Halide app, see how well that does. Sorry, it's called Spectre app. Halide is the company that makes the Spectre app. And so you can actually see a little green bar there that tells you that's how stable your lens is right now. You try to keep it in a stabilized position, and I'm going to take, let's take a 9-second exposure to see how it does. Done.
Oh, you just did long exposure on your iPhone?
Yeah. So, see that? You can sort of see it over here, what effect it had on the lights. As the light gets lower, we'll see how it looks. Here we go. This is the long exposure shot taken on the iPhone with the ultra-wide angle view afforded by the Moment lens on the Moment case. This is approximately a 9-second exposure simulation, and the app I used is made by the Halide Corporation, and it's called Spectre. So, looks pretty good, I think. You get a nice streaky view of the lights, nice sky, and a dark city skyline with some lights. Hope you enjoy this. Take care.